Here we have a 65 plate BMW 340i M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, finished in black as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. As you may have noticed, we do have a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, which includes the side skirts and the front splitter. You can see just there. We've then got the black kidney grills, and how great do these cars look from that front end. Now as we work our way around, we've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. There's a closer look at that just there. We've got some M badging just above, the black side skirt at the bottom again. We've then got the colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Let's take a quick look inside as well whilst we're working our way around. There you are, more on that shortly. We've then got our shark fin antenna on top, third alloy wheel, again there's a look at the condition of that. Now as we make our way to the rear, we've got our spoiler just here, which looks fantastic, really aggressive looking thing. If we open up the boot, we've got a good amount of space in here as well, as you can see just there. Close that up. We do also have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've got the dual exhaust as well, one on either side, as you can see just there. And as you can also see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. There you go. Now if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We do have the full black Dakota leather interior with the oyster accents, which looks absolutely fantastic. There's a look at that stitching. We've got the fold down armrest in the middle, ISO fixed points within the seats. On the doors here we've got our integrated speakers. We've then got our electronic window controls with the brushed metal handle. We've got a gloss black trim, more of the leather with that stitching again as well. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. And there's a quick look at those accents, how fantastic do they look. Now on the doors, as you may have told, we have got the uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. We've then got our electric window controls with electric wing mirror control with electric window control just below, and child lock for the rear. Brushed metal handle just there. Now stepping inside, we have got our auto lights on the right just there. Now getting in, we've got keyless start, so you can press that and the vehicle will start up for us like so. Sounds fantastic this as well, it's definitely worth mentioning. Now as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 61,000 miles and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. The little triangle just down there is just due to our fuel reserve, and that's nothing to worry about at all. Taking a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like speed limiter and cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears should you wish, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left, engine start button just behind. And then if we work our way up, we've then got our infotainment screen. So on here you'll find things like your navigation. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary, as well as our music collection and CD/DVD. Now we've also got our radio, so DAB radio just there, as well as telephone connectivity, so we can connect our mobile devices to play music or make calls. Now we've then got different driving modes as well, so on here you'll find things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. Each one of these modes having its own individual driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your style at the time. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors just there as well. Now coming back, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls as well, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with ice cold air conditioning and a convenient shortcuts like the Max AC. We've then got the additional storage space. We've got two good sized cup holders below there with 12 volt connectivity. gear stick just here, again, we can take manual control of the gears like so. So you do have the choice of the paddle shifters or the gear stick if you do want to take manual control. We've got our traction control, different mode selects, a button for our parking sensors. We've then got our shortcuts and control wheel here for the infotainment screen. So these are what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. Got this lovely trim just there, soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. And in there you can see you've got a USB and auxiliary connection as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 340i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and we're now cruising at 45 miles an hour, or our current speed should I say. Very easy to adjust the speed like so, and then to deactivate we can simply press cruise control or push onto the brake and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we are just about to take a left turning at the roundabout just here, and it's definitely worth talking performance figures with this vehicle. So you've got around 320 horsepower from factory, I believe it's 321, which will reach you 0 to 60 in around 5.1 seconds in the ideal conditions. So this is a very capable car. You're certainly not going to struggle overtaking other vehicles whilst driving this about. It's definitely very capable. Now it's also a very nice place to be in here. Of course, we've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've got a fantastic infotainment screen as well, the ProNav. We've got our satellite navigation on display at the moment, and of course we've got other great features like Bluetooth connectivity. We've got DAB radio, the list goes on. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. Now we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. So make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So turning in just now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes there, no issues at all. Straight into reverse. Of course, we've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors in the display just there. And then one last test as we are about to go for a speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, a video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now that's all from me today. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.